Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna unbox an RC car, and the RC car's name is Ninco Monster Masher. So it's a monster truck. It's 110 scale, and let's unbox it. Woo! So guys, this is the box. It says it's 110 scale, and it says it's gonna speed up to 18 kilometers per hour out of the box. So this has cross country tires, and then it's got shock absorbers, interchangeable shell, and this is the orange version of this car. There's a blue version, red version, and then a yellow version also. So let's open it up. Guys, when I opened the box, I got the monster truck, and its controller seems pretty good. And then I got a battery. And then there are two chargers. I don't know why. One might be spare or something. Who knows? And then, so now let's get to the monster truck first. So guys, as the box said, it has got shock absorbers. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And rear shock absorbers. That's also pretty good. The tires are pretty much supple, and yes, as the box said, it's a cross-country tire. It's so supple. It might be good for crawling, I guess. This is the interior. So I think it's got a brushless bar, something. Here's the all system, and then a golden color tire. It's got like headlight design, and guys, it looks absolutely epic from here. Just see the look. So let's see some clips. So guys, this has got a battery. It's coming with the pack, and then 700 mAh NICD battery, 9.6 watt, 20k. It's pretty good. I think we need to attach it like this or something. Charger might be. Let's talk about that later. We'll go to the trigger now. Now the remote is fairly large. It's big. So this, I wonder what this thing is. There's the on-off switch. There's a small LED light over here. Then steering, trigger. It's pretty good plastic. Then, guys, it got an antenna, and I think you can pull it. Oh my god. Okay, it extends a lot. Let me see. Oh my god, this is so big. Okay, this is for long range distance, I guess, because I don't know, it's pretty long. So it's 2.4 gigahertz. So let's see how it does. Let's get to the monster truck back. Just now I found out that you can just remove this antenna from it and then ride like this. I don't know, it might work, I guess. And this is the back side, and this is where you put your battery. I have put a 9-volt battery inside it. Ooh, pretty decent setup. Okay, now let's go to the charger. Both the chargers. Okay, one seems to look bigger, like it's much bigger than the other one, so this might be the spare one. I'll keep it aside. Then let's see about this. So this is a charger like that, 5-watt input. We'll see that later. So now let's get back to the monster truck. Guys, it has got forward, reverse, left, right turns. It's 2-wheel drive shaft system. I thought it's 4-wheel drive. Calibration, trim control, climbing angle, cross country tires, front rear, shock switch struts. I wonder what struts is. Yeah, we'll find out that later. Okay, here it is written 8 plus ages, 1-ton scale, 18 kilometers per hour. It's rechargeable power system. Oh, okay, that's it. This is our monster. So we'll be removing the shell out of it because I don't know what these are plastic clips. So guys, these are plastic clips. Let me remove it. Maybe that's what keeps the shell. And these plastic clips are pretty strong. It's hard to remove. Ah, I like. Fine, let's remove the. Okay, my guess was correct. It was like that. Yeah, fairly good. Okay, that's the shock. Ooh, okay. Just see the shock absorbing. Ooh, my god. It's got metal shocks. And then there's the servo, pretty good. Then two-wheel drive, nothing special. The back suspension doesn't feel that good because it's not pressing that much. I mean, yeah, the back suspension doesn't feel. Okay, the suspension is bad at the back. Let's see. They make a small. Ooh, okay, it takes it. But the back is. I'm a bit worried. So this is where probably the motor is gonna be. So it's a basic model. Okay, we'll see the underpart now. So guys, this is the underpart. There's a small clip over here for extra safety of the battery so that the battery doesn't come out. Here's the on off switch and then the screw. Oh, the trim control. Oh, I thought it will be in the battery. I mean, remote controller. Sorry. Yeah, fairly good. Ooh, see that? Okay, the front suspensions are pretty good, but the back, nah, it's not so good. So the body shell is pretty strong. Okay, that's pretty strong. Doesn't break that easily, so it might be long lasting, I guess. So this car is from Ninco, then air shock, 2.4 gigahertz. It's two-wheel drive, and then yeah, some information is written on the car itself, so it's pretty good. It seems pretty good. So I'll be riding this thing in the next video, so just subscribe and you'll be seeing how you can ride this. Ooh, that's pretty good. Okay, pretty good. So let's go to the next shot. Bye guys, see you in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see my video that I'm riding this, so stay tuned. I'll be uploading that next time. So hope you see it. Bye guys.